Hey there, educators! Today I'm diving into a crucial topic: how to empower young leaders. Our youth are not just tomorrow's leaders, they're today's changemakers. Let's explore how you can guide, inspire, and create opportunities for their growth. First up, establish trust and authenticity. Be genuinely transparent. Share your personal experiences and vulnerabilities. This creates a safe environment where open communication thrives. Integrity is key. Your actions must consistently reflect your words. Next, practice active listening. Give your full attention during conversations. Ask thoughtful questions and validate their feelings and perspectives. Show them that their voice truly matters. Now let's talk about providing meaningful mentorship. Offer constructive feedback and create personalized development plans. Share practical skills and connect them with broader networks. Your guidance should be their launchpad. Encourage autonomy and decision-making. Delegate responsibilities that matter. Allow them space for calculated risks, and support them when they learn from failures. Celebrate their independent achievements. This builds confidence and resilience. Foster a growth mindset. Emphasize continuous learning and challenge fixed thinking patterns. Promote adaptability and normalize learning from mistakes. This cultivates a resilient and innovative mindset. Effective communication is the backbone of leadership. Verbal communication should be clear, direct, and respectful. Avoid patronizing tones and adjust your style to individual preferences. Nonverbal communication is equally important. Maintain open body language, practice active engagement, and show genuine interest. Demonstrate emotional intelligence in all interactions. Motivating young people requires understanding their unique generational perspectives. Recognize that they are digital natives with a strong social consciousness. Align your leadership with their desire for meaningful impact and understand technology's role in their worldview. Set inspiring yet achievable goals, provide regular recognition, and create collaborative environments. Link individual contributions to larger purposes. Developing leadership skills is essential. Focus on emotional intelligence, critical thinking, communication, collaborative problem-solving, and adaptability. Facilitate experiential learning opportunities, workshops, peer learning environments, and real-world project engagement. Addressing generational challenges is crucial. Integrate technology effectively by leveraging digital communication tools while balancing it with personal interaction. Recognize the importance of mental health, provide supportive resources, and create flexible working environments. Ethical leadership forms the foundation. Uphold core values like transparency, inclusivity, social responsibility, personal accountability, and continuous learning. Lead by example and create value-aligned organizational cultures. Encourage ethical decision-making and promote diversity and inclusion. Explore leadership development pathways. Individual coaching through one-on-one mentorship and personalized development plans is powerful. Group development through workshops, team-building activities, collaborative projects, and peer learning networks can amplify growth. Measuring leadership growth involves assessing goal achievement, skill progression, leadership competency, peer and supervisor feedback, and self-reflection capabilities. Embrace continuous improvement through regular performance reviews, 360-degree feedback, and adaptive learning approaches. In conclusion, empowering future leaders transcends traditional hierarchical models. It requires recognizing individual potential, providing supportive environments, and creating pathways for meaningful growth. As educators, your role is not to dictate but to inspire, support, and unlock the extraordinary potential within each young individual. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.